Hello friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are gonna see how to manage domains DNS records in SeekaHost client area. Let's jump into the video. Log into your SeekaHost India client area page. In the email address field, enter your registered email address and password, enter your password. Click the Remember Me checkbox. Now, click Login option to login. Once you have logged into the SeekaHost India client area dashboard, click Domains. You will see a list of domains you are managing here. Click Manage option next to your domain name which you are trying to add the DNS records. If you want to manage domain records in domain site, you have to update SeekaHost default name server. Click the name server option. Change the SeekaHost default name server. Click the Use default name server and click Change name server option. To see which name server you have updated, click Custom name server option. You can see SeekaHost default name server is already updated here. SeekaHost default name server is ns1, ns2, ns3 systemdns.com. Make sure SeekaHost default name server has to be updated here. Otherwise, if you have updated hosting name server, your DNS records will be managed by hosting site. To update the DNS records, click DNS management option. In case if the DNS management is not enabled on your domain site, click add-on option to enable the DNS management. Click the add-on option. On DNS host record management, here you can enable disable DNS management for your domain. Click manage option to go to the DNS management. You can see how to update DNS records in DNS management one by one. To update the EA record, choose the record type as EA. In address field, enter your IP address. Host name, you can leave the host name as empty, it will take the domain automatically. Now click Save Change option. To update the MX record, choose the record type as MX. In the address field, enter your MX value. If your MX record has priority, enter the priority, then click Save Changes. To update the CNAME record, choose the record type CNAME. Enter your host name which you want to point to your domain name. Address field, enter your domain name, click Save Changes. Next, if you want to update mail CNAME records for a domain name, enter your host name in mail, enter your address value in address field, then click Save Changes. To update the TXT record, choose the record type as TXT. In the address field, enter your TXT value, then click Save Changes. To update the DKIM record, choose the record type same as TXT. In the host name, enter a DKIM host name and the address field, enter a DKIM value. Please note that in order to add a DKIM record value, we have to generate the DKIM value in 1024 kbit length. Then only it will work in our system. Save change. You take the URL redirect, choose the record type as URL redirect. In the address value, enter a domain name. In host name, from which subdomain you want to redirect to main domain, enter a subdomain. Once you have entered, click Save Changes. If someone search your subdomain name, it will automatically redirect to your main domain name. To update the URL frame record, choose the record type URL frame. In the host name, enter your subdomain name which you want to URL frame to your main domain. Here I am entering data. In the address value, enter your domain name. Click Save Changes. I hope with this video you can able to update DNS records in domain. If you have any query, please contact seekahost.in for support. If this video helps you, please like, comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.